We're back with another super simple summery recipe. We're going to do a pasta salad, but we're going to put a peri peri chicken spin on it. So one for you to have a crack at this summer. Right, so we're going to start off by getting our pasta onto boil in some salty boiling water, and then we're going to prep our fresh ingredients. So I've got 2 peppers, 1 red onion. I'm going to keep these fairly chunky and just cut them into strips. So fresh ingredients chopped up, and chop up a couple of chicken breasts. I'm just going to cut this into similar sized thin strips. Okay. Right, I'm going to go and wash my hands now, and then it's time to put all this together. So we've got our peppers and onions chopped up, chicken breasts chopped up. Going to get this onto a medium-high heat. A little bit of oil in there. Chicken in. Peppers and onions in. Just going to season this up, a little bit of salt, black pepper. I've got 2 tablespoons of peri peri seasoning. And we just want to almost just stir fry this so the chicken's cooked through and the peppers and onions are nice and soft. So this is cooked. I'm just going to take it off the heat. So the final element is going to be preparing the dressing, which is just 4 simple ingredients. So we've got some mayonnaise. If you want to be a little bit healthy, you could use like a sour cream or a natural yogurt maybe. 6 tablespoons in. I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of peri peri sauce, any flavour your choice. 2 tablespoons in there. Teaspoon of peri peri seasoning. And then finally, a squeeze of lemon juice. Just going to use half of the lemon. Squeeze it in there. Just try to catch all the seeds in your hand if you can. We'll give this a mix around. And you want it to look something like that. And now it's all but an assembly job. Just need to bring everything together, mix it together, and we're all but finished. So we're all good to assemble this now. Let's go and grab the pasta. Into the bowl. And in with the chicken and peppers as well. Again, this had a little bit of time just to cool down. Then we're going to cover it in our dressing. Then it's just a matter about mixing all this together now, coating everything in the dressing. Make sure everything's got a nice bit of dressing all over it. There you go, everything's nicely combined. And if you want, you can finish it off with a few optional spring onions on there. If there's a pasta salad you make this summer, make sure it's this one. And there you have it. Peri peri chicken pasta salad.